Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we are going to do a simple style for beginners, and that style guys is gonna be inverted fishtail braid to the back. Welcome guys on short dreadlocks. Alright, welcome guys. This is a quick style for beginners. These are short locks guys. So we are going to begin guys, and my fishtail is going to be interlocked at the center. So by doing so guys, you leave behind some strands which you will use to interlace when you are doing the fishtail braid. So we are going to do a simple fishtail braid for beginners. This is how you begin your fishtail braid guys. Remember, this is inverted fishtail braid. Unlike the invisible and visible fishtail braids guys, the inverted one is usually done by interlacing the lock strands over once. The other fishtail braids usually do a finger of 8. So let's begin guys. Pick this strand here, let it come over that way. Then I'm gonna pick this strand here, which is far end that way. Let's work together guys through the styling. Pick this strand, let it come over that way. Pick another strand from this side. Remember to stay a little bit tighter guys, because this style is kind of loose, and whenever you loosen it guys, it loosens further that way. Pick another strand from this side. But guys, I'm just trying as much as possible to come up with a style which is a little bit simple for our beginners that way. Understand that you can see clearly what I'm doing. Pick another strand from the farthest end, interlace it once that way. Pick another strand from this area, let it come over that way. It's gonna be a quick style and a simple style for our beginners that way. Pick another strand from this side, let it come over. Pick another strand from this side, let it come over that way. Remember guys to like my work, comment and share to your friends that way. It's quite simple. Remember guys, I'm trying to position myself in a way that you can see properly. I understand I'm not on the right angle on my side, but I'll try as much as possible to keep the style rolling that way. You pick strands and interlace them once guys. While working backwards that way. Remember guys, these are short locks. And we have given many tutorials on fishtail braid guys. You can revisit my channel for such. So we are almost at the back. So I'm trying to leave behind some strands so that I can use these strands to interlace my styling. So guys, since my locks are not quite long, I'm going to do my finishing kick here. So you can secure using one of the strands, or else guys you can use yarn to secure the ending area. So let's use yarn to secure this part. So guys, we are done with the right side, so we will do the left side and interlock the strands at the middle. So let's begin. Remember guys, we said that it's just a quick style for our beginners. It's not a complicated one. That's how you do the inverted fishtail braid, guys. Remember to like my work, comment and share to your friends. It's a quick style guys to our beginners. So you can do this guys to your clients who have short locks. Remember guys, this is a lovely way to come up with amazing styles on short locks. When the locks strands are quite short guys, you need to improvise other ways on how to style them so that you can achieve results. That way guys, you'll find yourself incorporating certain styles just to manage the length of the lock strands. So on our case guys, we have chosen to do an inverted fishtail braid, which doesn't consume lots of length, that is, doesn't consume lots of volume, so it gives an allowance to our lock strands to flow backwards. So, and it's quite simple guys. The simple style for beginners. Understand, you can get what I'm doing, since seeing is better than hearing guys. Understand, now you can come up with this style if you're a beginner guys. So whenever you're doing this style guys, remember not to stay loose, because the style is usually loose, and if you stay loose throughout the styling, you'll find some strands loosening. So that's how you do the inverted fishtail braid. This time round guys, we are doing such on short locks. And just to hunt flavor on such, guys, we have interlocked the strands at the center part. It's a double-sided fishtail braid, guys. You can have a look. It's a nice look, guys. It's a nice style for our beginners. You can try out this one, guys. And today we were doing a quick style, guys, which was flowing to the back, and it's amazing look, guys, for those with short dreadlocks. You can give it a try, guys. If you're a beginner, this is a quick way of styling short locks. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and stay locked for more tutorials to come.